The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for southern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Manchester, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Saline around 1:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Ann Arbor and Milan around 1:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Ypsilanti around 1:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Willis around 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant Lake, Pittsfield Township, Whitaker, Bridgewater. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for southern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan.